I'm Steve Root, this is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms, but today you find me at the Mackey Swadling factory where I've come for some refresher training on the products we sell from our small business. So you might ask the question, why do you choose to sell Swadling products? Brassware, shower valves, that sort of thing. Well, there's a few reasons. Let's start with the obvious, they look nice. That's pretty subjective. The things you probably won't see as a consumer, the second reason is this. This is the brass body shower valve that goes inside the wall. Made since the 1960s, just outside Portsmouth. This is actually a new design. This has the thermostatic valve in the middle, cartridge. Either side of that are two isolation valves that also double as non-return valves, and the two stalks on either end are where the handle's going to go. This is a double outlet shower valve. But the third reason, which you'll never see normally, is this room here. This is one of the rooms where every single shower valve is tested on this machine here. The tests are important to us because as a retailer, if a shower valve was to leak when we fitted it into the wall, that causes us a lot of problems. Because Mackey and Swadling test every single valve, we have the confidence to know we can fit them and they'll just work first time, giving us zero stress when we fit them and no return calls. What does this machine test? It tests a few things. Firstly, it tests the flow rate to make sure there's nothing in this valve that's restricting the flow rate beyond what it's designed to achieve. The second uses high water pressure and valves that are closed to make sure the body doesn't leak. And the final test is of the thermostatic cartridge. By running hot and cold water together and then suddenly switching off the cold, the valve should close off the hot to prevent scalding. And this one works perfectly. And that's the reason we choose Swadling. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do answer them all myself. If you're looking for a kitchen, bedroom or bathroom done well and you live in East Kent, the southeast corner of the UK, please come visit my showroom. I would love to give you the full tour. And if you found the video useful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really does help my small business. My name's Steve Root. This is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms. If you stop the hot, is it going to stop the cold? Thermostatic valve, it stops on either side. Amazing.